Ha-ha! Still got me on the diet, eh, Gromit? Watching me shape? Ha-ha! There's a good dog. Gromit, lad.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. These storms have produced 2 to 3 inches of rainfall per hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Plymouth, Massachusetts.
How's that prize melon of yours coming on? Must be a while since you measured it.